Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we will learn how to set up server-side tracking for Google Ads conversion. For this we have to click on setup. Here you can see no server container is found, neither Step or Google Cloud. For getting this we have to move to our Google Tag Manager. Here you can see these are the web-based servers, so we have to create a new one by clicking on these three dots. Now click on create container. Next I have to click on write a name for my container and click on server. Now click on create. On the right top corner you will see so this will appear, which indicates set up your tagging server, automatically provision tagging server or manually provision tagging server. I will go with manually provision tagging server. If I am using third-party server like Step, then I will go with this one. Otherwise, currently as I am selecting automatically, as I am going with the Google Cloud server, it will ask for the billing. Yeah, here we have to select our billing. As mine billing is already set up, you can watch some tutorials on YouTube or read any article on Google for getting your setup done. It will take some time for creating your server. Stand by while using your server is created. This may take a few minutes. Once you have set up billing for Google Cloud, you can start using any of the Google Cloud services. You will be billed for the services that you use, and you can track your usage and billing information in the Google Cloud console. So our server is about to create. We have to wait. So the server is created successfully and it is associated with Google Cloud. Let's move back to our app and set up Google Cloud and select your server. Click on setup. Here we have to select the server. Let me tell you another thing. Click on cancel. If I click on second pixel, you can see it will not indicate the any server container. As you can see in tag manager, if I move to my accounts, you can see, as you know, our server container is created in demo shop, as it displays 3 containers. One of these indicates server and rest are browser based. So it will be compatible with browser side container, as it will fetch the data from them. If you are creating the server in any account, keep one thing in mind, that their web and server container will be created all together. Now click on setup. Here I have selected Google Cloud and now I am selecting my server. Next I have to select a tagging URL. Click on save. So the server side is perfectly created, and if you want to edit it, you can also do it by clicking on edit. Now let's move to Google Tag Manager. Here is our server side. Let me show you. Click on clients. You can see here is our infinite web container that is created through server side. And if you want to check the preview, you can simply click on the browser side container, as preview is displayed through browser side. In our live version, click on preview, connect your store URL and perform any activity in your online store. Open any product. You can see our extension is attached and connected. Along with, as you can see, my ad blocker is also enabled. It will fire the events along with it. You can see add to cart page view is fired. And if I click on checkout, it will also be fired. You can see begin checkout is fired. So if you want to preview, you have to use the browser side. So this was all about my preview, and you can see my all tags has been perfectly fired over here. So server-side Google Cloud elevates your tracking capabilities with enhanced security, performance, and privacy protection, enabling you to gather valuable data for analytics and optimization efforts. It will safeguard user privacy, boost performance, experience faster reporting, and it also provides improved data quality. So I hope you have got the idea that how can you set up server-side tracking for Google Ads conversion. I hope you will enjoy the experience. Do share your feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.